Once upon a time, there was a princess called Belle. She had many friends in the castle. There was Wardrobe, Lumiere, Cogsworth, Mrs. Potts, and of course, Chip. Belle was very good at telling stories to her friends.
Tell the amazing story again.
Do you remember the day that we had finished building the maze and decided to play a game? The first to get to the center would win. They all set off in different directions. There you go. It is this way, I'm quite sure. No. It is this way. Come on. Belle was wandering along when she saw Beast through a gap in the hedge. He was very frustrated. Hi, Beast. Where are all of you? I'm hungry. We were just playing a game. War! Beast, please. Would you like to come with me to find the others? You can play too. Well, okay. As long as we get out of here. Belle created a new opening so that Beast could come through. Sometimes later, Belle and Beast found the center of the maze, but they weren't the first ones there. Woo! What is he doing here? He's gonna get angry. What are you all doing here? Get back to work! Calm down, Beast. Have a piece of cake. You'll feel much better. This cake is amazing, Belle. Thank you. Woo! And so they all played happily ever after. Woo! One more, please. One more story. Okay. Do you remember when? The end.